So guys, today we are cleaning our printers, our ink tanks. This is an Epson L311, so I use it on a daily basis. So today we are cleaning it. So here it's our ink tanks. I've already removed these ones, so you need actually something like this one. So like there's a hook here on this side, but this side there's nothing. There's actually nothing, so we use this side. Go this side, go and like then you just remove it. So after removing it, you can go and clean it. I'm using my wet cloth. You can use dry or wet, or a wet one. I prefer to use wet. Yeah, so you clean. You can use your forceps to go clean inside. Go cleaning inside. Go cleaning. So yeah, that's how you're doing our printer today. So after you've removed this is your whatever's, the lid, ink tank lid. So you do this. You can see the center. Then you just like pull. You can pull it, So you go wash with. You can wash with water. You can wash with a solvent if you have a solvent. Yeah. So guys, I'm using my wet cloth. I put it like that, then I press until all gets in those little cracks that are inside there. Just feel it. The cloth. Just do some more here. Do some more there. Do some more everywhere. Do some more everywhere. You can see the ink. There's too much ink. There's too much waste of ink inside there. Just clogging. So you can do this. Inside there. Yeah. So you can do your whole printer. Just pull the cloth and do your whole printer. Yeah. So I've just finished cleaning. So let's see. Yeah, it's at least better, but not yet. So you can do some more cleaning. So I've done some more cleaning. So let's look. It's now better. It's now better. So there are our lids, so we can hook them back. So the lids, like the bottom part, the one with the small thing, goes inside first. Then you do it clockwise, it locks. So you can do the next one, same. Put it down there. You can see this. Then you lock it. So you can do the next ones pretty quickly. They all now dry and clean, very clean. So we can hook them back. Start with the last one. Remember, this side goes the left, 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 left. Yeah, so you can see all clean, very nice and clean. Thank you guys.